That one, baby. Oh, I got off. I hate when I lose one, baby.
Well, every day you need to practice.
That's why I gotta keep practicing now.
Yeah.
Good morning. I see you was able to pull 2 of them back to back, huh? That's a good morning. Got him. Got him, baby. Oh, yeah, he's nice. Oh, yeah. Oh, no, don't go behind that pillar. He's over here, baby. He's over here. He's trying to run from me. He's right there. Oh, he's right there. He's trying to run from me. He's trying to run from me. Trying to, baby. Trying to, baby. Trying to, baby. He's active today. Woo! And we got him. Woo! That boy tried to run from me. Look at that guy. He tried to run from me. Oh, yeah. That was a sweet one, y'all. I don't know if you guys got to see that. But goodness gracious, he went right behind that pillar. He tried to wrap himself around there. But when you're using that good old Seaguar, baby, I swear. Let's get back up out of here. I see bait fish all through here. Yeah, you could touch him, baby. Oh, yeah.
Can you hold him?
Thank you, thank you. It looks like we're starting off with a good morning, right? Yeah. Hi, baby, look at that. Want to touch him?
Yeah, I want to hold him.
Well, he's a little heavy, but let me go ahead and, let me see how the hook set was. Oh, yeah, look at that, y'all. He was about to come out. He was just about to come out.
Did he swallow it?
No, he didn't swallow it, baby.
Because when I caught the bass, he swallowed mine. Right, Dad?
Yeah. Yeah, baby, top of the morning. Woo, I almost lost him. Look at that. Almost lost him. Was able to pull him in, y'all. Let's get it. All right, let's get him out there. Let's get him back out there so we could catch him again. 214. Not a bad way to start it. All right, let's get him back. Let's get him back, y'all. Look at that. Nice little belly.
Dad, weigh him.
I already did. Let's get him back home. Smooth release. Let's get it, baby. The chatterbait will never let me down, I promise. He was 2 pounds and 14 ounces, baby. Almost 3 pounds. All right, y'all, so we starting off pretty smooth. Y'all seen I lost that nice size one over there. On the way here, we saw the owner of this here house catching some catfish. Pulled up right here, pulled out the chatter, and found one that wanted to chat. Let's see if we can go ahead and do that again. And man, so we're at what, 2 pounds, 14 ounces. Let's see how we can start the day off. Let's see how much pounds we can pull in. Ooh, it's active out here today. Fish busting everywhere. They are here. Look, minnows following it in. Oh yeah. So I've been throwing this chatterbait on a Abu Garcia combo rod that I had picked up a while back. Man, I actually like it real good, but I feel like it's just a little too soft. A little bit too moderate. Or a medium, excuse me. I need more like a medium, heavy, moderate. And that's exactly what I did. I ordered me one from 6 cents. Can't wait for it to come in. Definitely gonna be setting these hooks just a little bit better. You seen how that one was. And I know that for a fact because it's been a few fish already that's been barely hooked, like you know what I mean? It's that jackhammer hook ain't no joke to drive in there, so gotta make sure you got just enough backbone. Just enough backbone. So I pretty much caught one on the rattle trap. Well, I wouldn't say caught one because I lost him. That's what I did do. But I was able to hook into one with the rattle trap. Strike King. I was able to hook up with this chatterbait with the Strike King Rage Swimmer that came in my monster bass bag. Because you know, every time they are gonna hook you up solid with some baits that will go perfect for your region. So y'all make sure to look them up, man. I'm gonna go ahead and leave them in the description as I always do. And if you decide to check them out, make sure to use code 15. Save you some money on your first box, y'all. Like I said, they're gonna send you baits for whatever region you're fishing in. Go give them a look, y'all. Go check them out. Oh, had him. Came off. Second time he nipped it. Second time. Come on, third time's the charm. Hold on, baby. Alright, y'all. There we go.
Whoa.
Well, we got ourselves a caddy out of the deal.
Right.
Oh, I got him. Yeah. Got him. First cast, too. And that's because he was running right at me. I didn't think I had him.
Dad, can we save that one too?
Oh, yeah, nice one.
Oh, yeah. I think it's a baby one. Oh, it's a little baby one. That's a little tiny one. That's a little tiny one, right, Dad?
Oh, yeah, he went at it and it got him. Went at him and he got him.
Like the other one, right?
Yup.
The one was in this. I'm gonna say hi to the catfish.
Got him all off into the...
Got him all off. Hi to the catfish.
Okay, hold on, baby. Y'all see it? Not a big one, but he was biting. He bit that thing immediately. All right, y'all.
Can I hold it?
We're gonna release him.
Dad, can I
First
hold
cast, 6 cents.
Dad, can I hold
Had the whole 6 cent setup. Yeah, baby, here. Woo-hoo. All right, toss that boy back in. Right here. Go ahead. Just throw him.
Throw me?
Yeah, just throw him in the water.
Whoop.
And he's gone. Yeah, give me 5. There we go. Got his
Whoa,
boy.
Dad.
Got him, baby.
Got it?
Yeah, we got him.
Dad,
Oh, he got off. He got off.
Dad, you should have pulled him up.
It's all right. We call those quick releases. Oh, darn it. Came out.
Came out?
Came out.
Oh.
Ooh. Darn it.
Dad, are you recording? Dad? Oh my God, that's the world.
Man,
Oh, see the world.
it's one of them days, huh?